Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Microsoft Teams for collaboration, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy Microsoft Teams for collaboration, start by assessing your organization's needs. Gather input from key stakeholders to understand collaboration requirements. Decide on a deployment strategy that aligns with your organization's goals. Choose between using the Teams desktop client, mobile app, and web app based on user preferences. Access the Microsoft 365 Admin Center using your admin credentials. Navigate to the Teams section to begin the setup process. Enable Microsoft Teams for your organization under the Settings menu. Set up Teams for your users by assigning licenses appropriately. Consider creating a dedicated Teams channel for clear communication. Organize the structure within Teams by defining teams and channels based on departments or projects. Customize the settings for each team and channel according to collaboration needs. Review security and compliance settings to protect sensitive information. Integrate other Microsoft 365 apps that enhance Teams functionality. Train users on how to use Microsoft Teams effectively. Provide documentation and resources for ongoing support. Encourage team leaders to lead by example in using Teams for collaboration. Regularly review and adjust Teams configurations based on user feedback. Monitor usage metrics to gain insights into Teams' effectiveness. Celebrate milestones achieved through effective collaboration in Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.